All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Thinkific courses. So the first thing you want to do is just go to Google and type SERP apps Thinkific downloader. And you're going to find this GitHub link here and click on it. So once you get to this page, which is github.com/SERP apps/Thinkific downloader, on the right side, if you scroll down a little bit, there's this thing called releases. So just click on the releases link and you'll be taken here to the releases page with the latest release on top. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the various releases for different browsers. So since I'm on Chrome, I'm going to click on the Thinkific downloader chrome.zip file, and that's going to download a zip to my computer. For me, that goes to my desktop. For you, it might go to like a downloads folder. So what you want to do is just double click it to unzip that folder or unzip that zip file, which will give you the app folder here. Now we're going to install it. So the next step is just open a new tab in Chrome and type Chrome://extensions. And when you get taken to this page, you want to look to the top right area. Yours is probably going to look like this with developer mode toggled off or to the left. You want to turn that on. And when you turn that on, you'll notice some new options over here on the left side. One of them being this button that says load unpacked, which just means you can load this extension that we unzipped. So what you're going to want to do is click load unpacked, click on the Thinkific downloader, and then just click select. And that's going to allow you to that's going to install the extension for you. So you'll see here now I have this downloader for Thinkific extension here. And if I come up to the top little puzzle piece thing here, you'll notice probably it's going to start like this where you don't see it. So if you want to click that, and you can click the little pin icon here and it'll show up here in your extension area like normal. Okay, so now if you go to a Thinkific course or whatnot, the first time that you open this extension, basically whenever you're on a place with the video that you want to download, like in the Thinkific course, you're going to click on the extension. But the first time, it's going to ask you for an email address. This is just to verify your email address. It's going to give you a one-time password, and then you can use the extension. It's just to prevent spam. So I'm going to put in my email address here and send a verification code. And then when I get the verification code, I will place it in here. You're going to have to go to your email for yours, and I can click verify and continue. And now you can see that I am past this area. So if I refresh this page on this Thinkific course thing, you'll see that I have the video here. If I click on the extension, it shows the video that I want, and I can just click download on the video, and that will start the download process. It asks me where I want to save it, so I'll just save it to my desktop, and it's going to start the download process there. And then you can just navigate to other Thinkific pages or videos and download those videos the same way. So it's as simple as being on a Thinkific page, clicking on the extension, and just clicking the download video button. And you'll see, there you go. That's the video that I wanted to download. So that's how you download videos from Thinkific courses.